So, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. I'm Angeline Cabaya Cruz from BTB TETWAF 3D, and my topic is all about physic- philosophically argumented typology of consumer education. So, first, as continuation of my topic is critical reflective consumer education. Constructivism or progressivism develop critical thinking about consumption. So, what is critical reflective consumer education? It's a someone who actively and thoughtfully analyze their purchasing decision, moving beyond surface level advertising the consider the broader social advertising, ethical and environmental impact of their consumptions. So, critical reflective daw is involve their own consumption bias about the product and brand. Also, why constructivism and progressivism involved in critical reflective in consumer education? It because it view learners or consumer as actively participants in constructing their own understanding or knowledge in buying the product. So number three is ethical humanistic consumer education, humanism or perennialism. Goal from responsible, ethical, and sustainable consumer. So what is ethical humanistic consumer education? It refers to a conscious approach to a consumption and business that prioritize human well-being, dignity, and social responsibility alongside environmental sustainability. So, ethical humanistic is an practice that every consumer making a decision with a guide of our value the human dignity, social justice, and environment. So, example here, buying organic food, products, or items that biodegradable and eco-friendly fashion. So, why humanism and perennialism involved in ethical humanistic consumer education? It is because they both emphasize core principles that guides consumer or learner behavior beyond simple economic utility that focuses instead on individual potential, self-actualization, and universal ethical value. So, the founder of constructivism is Jean Piaget. It's considered the primary founder of constructivism, introduced the ideas that learners build contrast knowledge through experience, focus on cognitive development stage, sensory motor, or prior. Next is the progressivism, John Dewey. Considered the father of progressive education, believed that learning should be child-centered, experimental, and connected to real-life problem solving. Emphasized democracy in the classroom, operation, and learning by doing. So next is humanism, Abraham Maslow. So Abraham, known for the hierarchy of needs, believed education should help students reach self-actualization, becoming the best version of themselves. Emphasize emotional well-being, motivation, and personal growth. So lastly, the perennialism. Si Mortimer J. Adler. Mortimer, most recognized modern founder of perennialism, promoted great book curriculum, advocated that education should time focus on timeless truth and unchanging principles.
Good day, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. My name is Sherilyn Moloteles Kitang from BTBT WAF 3D. So my topic is all about transformative social consumer education. So the founder of social reconstructionism, I will show you later. So goal inspires students to change society by addressing harmful consumer patterns. So The transformative social consumer education, it is a student education teach students not just to understand problems, but to become part of the solution. Because student, it's not just gaining knowledge or gaining knowledge, but it is aimed to change our society. So encourage the learners to social problems. Example here is in the school anti-plastic campaign. So student identify plastic waste in the school cafeteria or classrooms. So the student do action, ginawan agad ng action. Organize plastic free week, promote reusable bottles and make education posters. So the outcome here, it reduces plastic waste and raises awareness among students and staff. Next is here here in uh here in transformative as social consumer education. Student analyze bullying cases. So start a peer support group or create a poster videos or program promoting kindness. So goal to transform school culture. Yun ang goal nila. In simple word, transformative education focus on teaching students to make the world better. Instead of just learning facts, students analyze real social issues and take to action to fix them. So, another example in school. The example is, yeah, become active citizens and improve their communities. Next is economic, economic, economic rational consumer education. Perennialism, essentialism. Goal, teach logical rational decision making use economic principle. So here, as a consumer education, you should budgeting, saving and investing, smart purchasing, and financial responsibility. In budgeting, teaching how to manage income and expenses. So why rational is important? Because it prevents impulse buying. Hindi porket gusto ng friends mo or gusto ng friends mo na ipabilyon is bibilin mo na or dahil boring ka, bilhin mo lang or for happiness lang. You need to logical. You need to logical, rational decision making using by economic principles. In short, rational is about thinking logically. Yun na nga, sinabi ko. Planning ahead and making choices that provide the most value with the least waste. In rational consumer education, you need to identify needs clearly. Know what is necessary versus want. Next is gather information, check prices, quality, and alternative. Now, I'm gonna show you the different, the founders of social reconstructionism, perennialism, and essentialism. So, founders, philosophers. In perennialism, founders is Mortimer J. Adler. He believes that most recognized modern founder of perennialism promoted great book curriculum, advocate that education should focus on timeless truths and unchanging principles. Next is social reconstructionism by George S. Counts in 1889-1974. An American educator and scholar, challenged teachers to help rebuild society and address social injustices. Famous work, Dare the School Build a New Social Order. Next, Essentialism by William C. Bagley. Believe argue that schools should teach essential knowledge and skills, emphasize discipline, hard work, a strong academic core.